Today we're out here at Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster. I brought Casey and Bailey along with me to try something new. Now this just opened at the end of 2025. It is winter 2026 here, and they have invited us out to check it out. I want to give a big shout out to Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster for having us out. But let's go check it out. Let's go see what's going on inside Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster and ride one of these really cool things down this hill. So first things first, when you get into the downhill mountain coaster area, there is a small gift shop with some shirts, some hats, some things like that, hoodies, because it is a little chilly outside right now. And then what you're also going to do is you're going to sign a waiver. Now, each adult needs to sign a waiver, and then you need to sign essentially one for children too. The cost is roughly around $20 a person for adults, $15 for kids, and then there is a a 3-pack downhill special. So you save a little bit of money if you do the special 3-pack, right around $45 roughly. So then once you sign that, once you get it going, then you just make your way out, and this is where the fun begins. We're going to go check out the carts, get all set up, and enjoy it, hopefully. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. You ready, Bailey? You excited?
I'm really excited.
Are you nervous?
Not really, no.
No? Okay, so we're gonna put a camera on each cart. So we're all three gonna go. We're gonna put a camera on, but first we're gonna check these out and kind of get a little bit of information about them. And then from there, then we're gonna experience, you'll be able to experience all three of us going down individually. I'm gonna have the 360 camera, so I'll be able to kind of show around a couple of times, and then we'll get Casey and Bailey's reaction of the coaster.
Okay, this is one of my bucket list things. I've always wanted to go on one of these, and she's trying to make me go with her. Don't want to.
It would make me feel better if you rode with me.
Your mom's more scared.
Can I get everyone's attention over here, please? Welcome to Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster. This is a self-directed patron ride, which means you guys control your own speed. For your handles at your side, if you push them all the way down, that is fast. If you bring them back up, that is slow. All the way back up, and you're going to be doing like 1 mile an hour. Alright, you want to maintain 80 feet from the person ahead of you at all times. We have a sign every 80 feet to help you measure that distance. At the end of the track, you're going to see a big sign that says slow down. You can slow down when you see it, you just don't want to stop on the track unless there is an emergency. And lastly, have fun. If you understood all the rules, can I get 2 thumbs up and a yes?
Yep.
Alright, you want to hold down your handles like you're going fast. You don't have to hold your handles going up the hill, it is automatic. Hold me down.
Okay.
Have fun.
All right, so it is about 3,800 feet of track, 4.5 minutes up the hill, and then a minute or so down the hill. Like the attendant was saying, you want to keep your hands forward when you're going downhill. And what that'll do is it'll help you accelerate. Then if you want to brake or slow down, you pull it back. So you are in control of your cart. You are making it do what it needs to do. From that though, you do want to make sure that you stay 80 feet between the car behind you and then the car in front of you, and the car behind you needs to stay 80 feet. There are signs throughout the entire ride down to kind of help you guide where you're at. It is very cold out right now, but I can just imagine how cool this is in the summer when it's like super hot, or even in the fall, or honestly, anytime. This looks really cool, and it's, yeah, definitely when the trees are nice and full, this is going to be absolutely amazing. And I'm very excited to be able to be one of the first people to show you this ride from a POV standard like this. We're only about halfway up the hill right now, and it looks super cool. I do know that in the winter, Christmas time, they had like Christmas lights strung about. And then I think they did a Halloween type theme too, where they were like scaring people on the ride too. I really am excited to see what they decide to do in the future with this, because like I said, it's brand new. It just opened at the end of 2025. So they are just going, I think it was maybe September. Don't quote me on that. But I know that it was pretty close to the end of the year. It's really peaceful up here too. I'm sure it's not when you have people like, woo, just going crazy. I wonder how they're doing back there. We got Bailey with a camera, and then Casey has one. I'm just wondering how they're doing with this. Which one, before we get to it, before we get to that portion, which one do you think is the most scared? Which one, who's going to scream the most? Who's going to have the most freaked out look on their face? I want to know what you think. There is a handle on each side, so depending on what side you feel more comfortable using, I'm left-handed, so I'm probably going to keep it like this, hold the camera here, and then use my left hand to kind of make it go and stop. Oh, it's so peaceful out here. You can, like, a big overlook of the water down there and one of the dells. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not water. It's a roadway back there. And but the gully here, one of the dells is here. All right, so we're getting to the top of the hill now, and that's where we make the turn, and then we start making our way back down the track. So like I said, about 4 minutes down the hill, or sorry, 4 minutes up the hill, and then down. Yep. All right, thank you. Here we go. So as you see, here's one of the signs, the 80 feet signs. Oh, we are cooking. We are cooking. I don't know if I even want to like brake. I think I just want to let it go. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Big turn here, big turn, big turn. Woohoo! Full speed ahead, all the way down. Oh, we're cooking, we're cooking, we're cooking. Losing my hat. Downhill. Turn. Here comes another sharp turn here. And as you see, as we're going down, you see those 80-foot signs. That way you know how far to stay away. Oh, we are cooking. We're about to hit the last turn down the straightaway. And as you saw, if I just let go, we'll slow down. So you want to keep that speed. You want to keep it down. And you want to just keep cooking the whole way down. Oh, wow. What a beautiful view up here. I can only imagine what this is going to look like in the summer when all the trees are full. Right towards the road. Big turn at the road. Right around the corner. Oh, yeah. Another sharp turn here. Woohoo! Yeah, we're cooking. We're cooking. And then this is where you want to slow down. So you're just going to let go, kind of feather it until you slow down here. And then we'll go. Now, this is open year-round. Right now, it is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m., and we are coming to a stop here. What a fun ride. Now, like I said, I wonder how Bailey and Casey are doing up there. Oh, it was amazing. It was so much fun. And then we can come on out, and there comes Bailey down.
Okay. Oh my god. Woo! Hi! Oh my god, this is so much fun. This is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so much fun. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's like cool lights right there. I love this so much. It's cold, but I don't even care, bro. Whoa, there's like a house right there. Someone just like lives there. That's cool. Bro, this is so cool. Whoa! It goes like right by the road. Sorry, picture. I had to. Whoa! Oh my God, it's like right off the hill. Okay, let's just slow down. So, should probably slow down. Sorry, are you wrong? Bro, it was so much fun.
All right. Yeah. No, not really. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Ah. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Ah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Jesus. All right. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Oh! No, I don't like that part. I don't like that part. I don't like that part. Oh, oh, oh. No, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. We're slowing down. Slowing down. Slowing down. Oh. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so that was absolutely amazing. Little scary, but super fun. Bailey, what'd you think?
I loved it.
Yeah? Case?
So fun. Little scary, but
Little scary.
it was fun.
I mean, the first time was a little scary. I did hit my brakes quite a bit. One time because my hat almost flew off. And then the second time that I went down, I just full speed ahead, hat backwards, good to go.
Me too.
So if you're wearing a hat, remember to turn it around backwards. But yeah, did you go full speed ahead?
I did go full speed.
Yeah?
I did as much as I could the first time because I was
feel
just like,
you probably hit the brakes.
I did around a couple corners, but not like full brake, like just like back up a little
Second
bit.
time, I never let go of it. I was just like,
But yeah, I definitely feel like this is something new and fresh in Wisconsin Dells that needed to be added. It's one of those spots that, like, when you come down here for a weekend or a vacation in general, this definitely should be added to your list because it's new. It's different. There's not another one of these close, but so much fun.
Montana and Missouri.
Montana and Branson are the other two locations here, or the locations for this mountain coaster company. So much fun.
I'm super pumped
Yeah, absolutely.
to try this when it's not cold outside.
Yeah, when it's not
That was
snowing on
It's
us.
not literally snowing in my face right now.
But a big shout out to all of you for watching and supporting all the Patreon members. Again, like I mentioned earlier, please consider joining the Patreon, helping us out a little bit, and getting us out more places. But for now, we're getting out of here. Thank you again to Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster. I'll leave all the information in the link down below in the description. Check it out. Stop by, have some fun, make some memories, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.